Hi, Namaste. कैसे हैं आप सब? Welcome back to my YouTube channel SAS with Vikas. And today we are going to discuss the first topic of the SAS clinical SAS course that's related to the base SAS. So before moving forward with for the syllabus of the base SAS, so I want to discuss one more topic, major important topic, which is going to ask in the interview question for the fresher, like what is SAS? What is the meaning of SAS? Where we are using that SAS? What are the complete process for the SAS? So in today video, we are going to discuss this complete full explanation of the SAS. What is the meaning of SAS? Why we are dealing with the SAS? Like all the things. So okay, let's start with the SAS. Once in any interview, suppose anyone asks you what is SAS, so have to give like a SAS is a software which gives complete solution of a business problem. That is not only used for the particular thing for any other tools that personally used for the visualization, for the personally analyzing thing, that for the access one, not individual work of the SAS that gives the complete solution of business problem. If any organization, if any company having the problem, having the difficulty to analyze the thing, to access the data, like any kind of business problem having that organization, that they might or they can use this SAS software for the complete business problem. SAS gives a complete business problem solution. So that's why SAS is used in healthcare, or you can say like a banking domain or the financial department. So SAS is a closed source software which is used for the data accessing, data exploring and validating, data analyzing, data reading and preparing, data to make a report of the data, and to export the data. This is the complete process of this SAS software. Like why we are using CS? Just because these all process, it gives the complete process of this business problem. Suppose any company having problem with with the data, then once we are using this SAS software, they can from access to after analyzing and making report, after then we have to export that data. It gives complete solution from access to export. Within that, we can explore the data, we can validate the data, we can prepare the data, we can read the data, we can analyze the data, we can make a report on data. All the thing we can do uh, before after accessing the data, and before exporting the data, we can all solve all thing with the only single use of software, that is SAS. That's why SAS gives a complete solution. uh, from 1916 it's started, like it was earlier it was explaining like SAS means statistical analysis software or statistical analysis system. But as of now, in from 2023, we can say that SAS organization decided like there is no any meaning for the SAS means only SAS. So there's no any abbreviation of the SAS word. You have to just say SAS means SAS. That's because it's not only used for the accessing the data, not for only the analyzing the data, not for the report making report the data. Like we can do all thing, we can do all solution of business problem with the single use of software, that is SAS. That's why SAS is a gives a complete solution of business problem. Since it's used for the high credential data, like for the banking domain or from the healthcare department, from the finance department, so all data are very highly credential. That's why it's used. That's why they are using SAS software, because SAS is a closed source software. uh, and we have, for using this SAS software, we need to pay for the license. We need to take the license and have to pay for that one. That's why many company not using the SAS software, apart from the healthcare and the banking domain. Many of people are using with data analyze with the help of Python and other tools, like they are open source software that totally free. So apart from that, this is the complete process of the SAS. This is the basic definition of the SAS. If anyone asks you about this, what is SAS, so you have to just give the explanation. SAS gives the complete solution of business problem. SAS is used for the accessing the data. SAS is used for the exploring the data. SAS is used for the validating the data. SAS is used for the reading the data and preparing the data. SAS is also used for the analyzing the data. SAS is also used to make the report of the data, and it also used to export the data. So this is the complete solution of the SAS software. And just for the credential, you can say like the SAS means only SAS value is, it's a closed source software. And SAS, there is no any abbreviation of the SAS word. SAS only means SAS. Okay, so this is all about the SAS software, and we have this is the complete process of the SAS software. So apart from this, we are going to learn like what are the tools we are using for that SAS software. There are many more tools, like 2 or 3 tools we are using. That first one is SAS Studio. The day before yesterday I had uploaded the video for that overview of the SAS Studio, how to install that one, how to use that one. That is the basic, and we are mostly use that SAS Studio. Apart from this SAS Studio, we have also SAS Enterprise Guide and SAS Windows windowing also. So there are many more other tools we are using for the analysis of the from the SAS. But in generally, we will use mostly SAS Studio. So these are the tools by which we can use the SAS data, SAS for use for the analyze the data from SAS. So this is all about the tools of the SAS software. And apart from the SAS tools, like what are the important syntax? What is the syntax for the SAS? Like how we are going to create the data, how we are going to create the program, how we are going to write a program on the coding window. That's also gives a syntax of that SAS software, which we are going to learn in the upcoming day by day videos. Like so, this is a complete starting essential portion of the SAS. What is the complete process of the SAS? What is the uh, what is the complete process? And second one is the what are the tools of SAS software? And third one is what is how we are going to use that syntax? What are the syntax we need to use? So syntax we will learn in the day by day lecture, because there is no any single syntax we can explain. For example, I can tell you like we have many more syntax. Suppose for the proc steps, we have proc print is syntax, like proc print data is equal to data name, and we need to give this run. So it's a complete syntax of this procedure steps. That's the showing the syntax, how we need to write the syntax statement, how the thing is going on, like all the thing we are going to learn from upcoming video. So in today video we learn the complete process of the SAS. Second one, what are the tools we are going to use in the SAS software? And third one, what are the using of syntax, what are the syntax of the SAS software? So this is all about in today video, in today lesson. And in the upcoming video we start the basic content of that. We are going to create the data, how we are going to create data with the help of input and cards method. We will also discuss the various input method, that is the way we can also create another type of data, like all thing we will discuss in the later video, upcoming video, like okay. So that's it for the today. Okay, thank you.